This is Newton's Laws by Jess, Liliana, Kylie, and PJ. Newton's first law of motion is an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion with the same speed and in the same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. And also the guy in the picture is Isaac Newton. In the first example, PJ will keep on moving in the chair until acted upon by an unbalanced force, which is Liliana. In the second example, Kylie will stay at rest until acted upon by an unbalanced force, which is Liliana pushing her. Newton's second law of motion is the acceleration of an object is dependent upon two variables, which are the net force acting upon the object and the mass of the object. In the first example, Liliana and Kylie are going to pick up a stack of books, and Liliana's stack of books has a greater mass than Kylie's, so it is harder for her to pick it up.
Jess should be the camera person.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Wait.
In the second example, Liliana and Kylie are going to be pushed on a chair, and PJ will be pushed on a separate chair, and it is harder to push Liliana and Kylie because together they weigh more than PJ. Oh yeah, and the first video is Liliana and Kylie being pushed, and then the second video is PJ being pushed, and it's obviously harder to push them, yeah.
Okay.
So Newton's third law of motion is for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. And on the sides there's cool pictures of a boat and a rocket ship that show the law. In the first example, Jess and Liliana are pushing off of each other and making an equal and opposite reaction because of the force pushed off of each other. Go. Yeah, Liliana's obviously stronger than me. Anywho, in the second example, Liliana lets go of the balloon, and the force of the air coming out of the balloon pushes it to go upwards.
Okay, ready? Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, the video wouldn't end, and I can't edit, so yeah.
Don't end!
The third example is almost the same as the second example, but the balloon is taped to a string, so it goes directly straight up, and the force of the air coming out of the balloon once again pushes the balloon upwards. Yeah.
2, 3.
There's Mr. V. The end.